Hi viewers, I am Arshad and you are watching Urdu Classic News Bulletin. First news from Jhelum. According to our correspondent, Deputy Commissioner Jhelum Kamran Khan, accompanied by additional Deputy Commissioner Revenue Saifullah Sajid, paid a surprise visit to Rescue 1122 station. He inspected vehicles including control room, call monitoring software, emergency dispatch system, rescue equipment. He expressed satisfaction over all the administrative matters, emergency response system and facilities available. Deputy Commissioner Kamran Khan said that Rescue 1122 is providing best services to the people in case of emergency on a daily basis, whether it is Eid or any national holiday. Rescuers is providing services to the people in all kinds of emergencies throughout the year. Attend all the time. He appreciated the performance and professionalism of Rescue 1122 personnel.